Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from TANK007. Now this here is Sunshine in Your Night. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review. This is the KC16, comes in this box, nothing on the bottom. Let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Now this is a complete kit, comes with the battery, and we have a user manual, and your warranty card is included. Multi-languages. Now there's no spec sheet here. Get a USB Type-C charging cable, one lanyard and one O-ring. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. I like the design on this body. Does have a clip here on it. You can remove that if you don't want that on there. Show it to you up close. Look at the body on that. Definitely unique. Well as on the tail cap. Some heat sinking here on the head of the light. Do have an LED indicator for charging and also letting you know your battery is low. Here's the charging port there. Great for people that are always on the go. Easily charge it wherever you go. Do have the tactical feel to it with the tail switch. Nice size, you can use it for everyday carry once you turn it on from here. Nice size actually. Very nice style and design on this. Now I get a lot of new companies that send me stuff but don't always make it to my table here. So this one here was a very nice sight to see, and my very first product reviews of theirs. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Now if you don't have the clip on here, there is some flat areas on the head that will help stop it from rolling. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the luminous SST40 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this all apart, and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. And we've got dual tail springs there, as you can see. Now there is a protection piece here on the battery if you want to remove that. Here's the battery that it comes with, which is a 21700 cell. This is 5000 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell. This is a protected cell. Going to be more than enough power to run this light. There is a spring down in the head of the light, so you can use a button top if you wish as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get this put back together, and now we'll go through the UI. I activate the light there, just like that. You can half press the tail switch to go through those light outputs. Strobe. Now that is a constant rate of flash, so that is distracting. Now we can half press that again, it goes back to the last light output. And this does not have memory mode, so if you turn it off, turn it back on, goes back to the highest output. So it always comes on high, and that strobe is in line with the UI. Now you also cannot pressure switch this, so there's no ability to just momentarily turn that on. So it's just half press only. And we're going to take a look at the beam here. Nice hot spot there, as you can see, intense. A little bit of bleeding around the edge of that. Look at that spill area, just cuts right off. That is nice. Good beam performance on that. Definitely love combination beams. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, easy to use, not seeing any issues with this light. So let's wait no further, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the TANK007 KC16. Starts off on the highest level, so we're going to do the Tree of Life. See how it does. 138 feet. That tree from where I'm standing. Making it to the school there with these. First palm tree it's making. And the second one. Impressive combination beam performance on this. We'll do a before and after here. Give you an idea. And you got the second tree there behind the Tree of Life here. It's 238 feet from where I'm standing. Usually see those trees out there in the distance. Impressive beam performance on this. Easily making it across the park to those playgrounds. Got the tree line, fence line there. Very nice. Next level down. Still a lot of light coming out of here. Still making it across the park, as you can see, to those playgrounds. Still making those trees out there. Still making 238 feet there. Solid performance. Go down to the next level. Still making the spool there, as you can see. Quality on these lights is very nice. I'm very fortunate to have received a couple samples. Hope to receive more in the future. 65 feet to this tree here, and then 35 feet to this water spout from where I'm standing. Now I list all my distances in a link below all my videos, my latest ones that is. Fence line there. There's the lowest light output. Good for up close and personal. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice combination beam performance on this. 1800 lumens on the highest output is impressive. It will cycle down, but the light output after it cycles down is still very nice and bright. Definitely easy to use with the UI. Nothing difficult. Definitely rugged enough. It's got a good solid build quality on this. These companies here that send me their products, some of them really stand out to me over the years, like Sofern, Workos, and now I've got to say this company here is definitely making some very nice products. They've got a lot of other flashlights on their website. Well, I want to thank TANK007 for sending me this KC16 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description. Also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, I'll leave that there next to the link. That way you can save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from TANK007 to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.